had to stop because we have bolt start just hand tight. So alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have tune day, so we're gonna head over to Specialty C and finally we are getting this car tuned. I'm just currently waiting on my friend. We have the truck and the trailer, so it is time to actually see what the numbers are on this car. For those that have been following the channel, you guys remember we did the conversion, we did the GTR, we did basically everything that the turbo needs, because there's no point on going with the GTR manifold and not going turbo, because yes, you're gonna lose power. So finally it's been a long year. If you guys follow the channel and been watching the videos, car was down for a full year. So finally we are on our way. We have the appointment around 9:45, so it should be fun. I'll be recording everything for you guys. And of course, I just want to say thank you guys for all the continued support. You guys really help this channel by giving thumbs up. It really helps, and we keep growing, and that's thanks to you guys. For the OG subscribers, you guys don't remember when I picked up this car completely stock. So now we are at this point, just waiting for my friend, waiting for the trailer, and we are on our way. Specialty C, here we come. Oh, and I told you guys I was going to show you, we have the gauges right here, the pod that goes over here, but waiting to install those. So the main thing right now is just to get this car tuned. Of course, car needs to be tuned. It needs to be fixed with the fuel stuff. Here we have my friend. So I'm gonna take the trailer. Cool. Alright guys, so we are getting ready to the trailer. I put the car in there. Just I need to fix my air, that way we don't scratch the car. Alright boys, we got the car up, we are ready to go. So we just figured out our terminals for the battery. They are not working, so we need to stop by AutoZone and get some new ones, and hopefully we can swap them over there. Cool, let's go. Alright, we just arrived.
Specialty C's new location.
Specialty C headquarters. Alright boys, we just arrived. The drive wasn't that bad. I mean, what, like 45-50 minutes? So let me turn on the car. Let's get this thing ready. We should be good to go. Alright, so we can't unload the car over here, so we need to go somewhere over there. Ooh, we got 300 CX, twin turbo, 350Z. Nice. Ooh, intercooler, HCAS. Look at the lineup. And we have the homie JD.
Where to put it? You're good, bro. It's running. It's ready for the dyno.
So this is the new spot, huh? What's up? What's up, what's up? Damn.
So much better, huh?
Hell yeah. And bigger.
me all these different wastegate springs, bro.
Yeah, they told me you guys will choose which one to go with.
Seb would probably know that.
You don't know what's in there now, man?
So what do you think, JD? What about the horsepower?
Let's say
6?
5 to 6.
5 to 6? Alright, we'll figure it out.
Like E85, so for sure.
So how do they do this? In order to be 91 and E85, I'm currently on E85. So he has to switch it?
Yeah, typically he's probably gonna run you on 91.
Oh, okay.
And take out the gas.
Okay. I see, for sure.
Hey, congrats on the new shot.
Oh yeah, congrats.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Just showing you guys Special TC headquarters. We got the G. So right now we just need to figure out, we have the 7-pound boost spring currently on the car, so they have to decide which one to run with, and we need to replace this. Has to do with the boost, and I think that's up to them if they want to switch it up.
On the rack, because we disconnect the front rack and then put on the dyno and then put it back on the rack and put it
So I was like, what the hell? Yeah.
So on the GTRs, we do the drive shaft. On any of the Qs, we do there's actually just a fuse.
King Nello, thanks bro. Thanks.
It goes away.
A lot of work put in this car, to be honest. I mean, waddled onto this car.
Good day for buying on the weather.
Everything was done. Everything.
Well, I'm assuming during the summer it was hell out here, huh?
Oh yeah, during the summer we'll get best numbers we can, but we have like 8 fans and we're not still trying to pull them off.
Wheel front, yes, 19 by 10. 10.5 I think, out the front. 19 by 11s on the back. Recommended turbo kit for a G with 110 miles. I mean, any turbo should be fine, just keep a low boost.
What, like I'm boosting mine at 250,000
Yeah, my friend Eddie right here is boosting his car. Twin turbo.
At 250,000 miles.
Yeah. He'll be running.
Patient's ready for the doctor.
All right. Holy shit, jump wheel.
That shit's smoking though.
Alright, so we just ran into a problem, and like, you know, everybody told me some bolts on the timing cover are loose. They're just hand tying. So we just have an oil leak. Oil's coming through, and then yeah, so that's an issue that I have to fix right now. Alright, just to show you guys the power we did right now, 508. He had to stop because we have bolts that are just hand tying. So
the stock intake manifold, and this is your car with the stock intake manifold, this is where you're losing a lot of the power. This car would easily be making over 600 wheel for the stock intake manifold.
Yeah.
Wait, I'd fall back off of you.
What's up?
Yeah. Damn.
Oh.
583 though? That's the most you got? Well, I mean, here's the deal. Can I turn it up?
Yeah, no.
But you want to modify anything up?
Yeah. Keep it safe.
I mean, we're already at 500 torque. If we had ECU controlled boost, I can dictate what duty cycle I want at a certain engine speed. Because there's a ready, it's basically, you want 50%? Okay, 50% across the entire power band. So here's the deal, right? I can't lower this boost. You know, what I would do is maximize the boost up here to try and bring it up. But because, again, I'm getting kind of beat down by the intake manifold, you can see how it's doing really well. And then the volumetric efficiency just drops tremendously here because of that longer runner.
Yeah.
And smaller diameter runner. Like the stock DQ HR manifold has a way shorter runner, and it's a little bigger GTR manifold. So that's why you're seeing that difference right there.
We had an issue with the whole timing cover. Bolts were loose. It's right there. Bolts were loose, just hand tying, and we had to fix a lot of stuff right now. So
still leaking oil down there. You see that shit?
Yeah, we'll fix it over there though. And yes.
So wet. That's me, right?
We are making a YouTube video about this. Of course, I'm recording right here.
Yeah, we're still leaking.
Yeah, we'll fix it when we get there. Who knew, right? Lots of bolts loose. Thank you, Sebastian. Thank you. Recording from my phone. Camera died, but we did. Where is it?
623.
623 horsepower.
The blue one is the one that he was using an example. If you would have used a stock manifold, GTR manifold, 623 max power.
We were able to push the GTR manifold to 623. Damn.
623, that's a lot of torque. Look at the power for the stock manifold and how much torque.
Damn.
Look how much torque you're pushing.
Alright, just to give you guys that info, yes, we can still run 91. Just Sebastian saying not to run it too hard on 91 because the tune is on E85. So that's just some of the info right there.
The Greddy Profec has 3 settings: off, low, and high. Obviously, when we made the 6, we have it on high, and it's making about 14 pounds of boost. I do have a limiter. There's a limiter in the ECU. Like if it gets to past 15, a hair over 15, it's going to do a fuel cut. That's what, when I made a couple of those passes, it would poof, hit because we hit the fuel cut, right? It's just to protect the engine. So anyways, we have that, and then also there's a built-in limiter. So if boost does get a little higher and it gets to that threshold, it's going to reduce the duty cycle slightly.
Okay.
So again, just another nice safety feature that boost controller does have.
Awesome.
In case it overboosts. I'll turn this thing back on and we'll go through the settings. So you have off, low, and high. When you are running 91 and you're gonna get on it, just leave it on off, and I'll show you how to do that. Low, basically we're making about 11-12 pounds of boost, and then the high is gonna be about 14 pounds. Okay. Good. So you can run when you're running 85, you can run off, low, and high. You can run any. So if you don't want to make all the power, you don't want all the beans, you can turn it on off or on low. Okay. Because again, you're gonna find traction and you'll be hard to come by. So you see it says high. That's the high setting. If you accidentally turn this knob, try to document all this stuff, but it's 45% is what I have it set to right now. That's the duty cycle. If you click on it once, the top button, which is the select button, it's going to go to low. Okay, and at the very bottom left, it's going to show you your peak boost value. I reset them so it's not showing anything, but when you go make a pass, it's going to hold and have the peak highest value number of boost that you had right here. Okay? So by just clicking it, you go between low and high. Okay, and you'll see that the duty cycle on low. I'm going to turn it down to 35 because on the street it's going to make a little bit more. Turn this to 50. And you really shouldn't need to mess with it, but that's the way you go between low and high. Okay.
Cool.
If you want to shut it off and make just wastegate boost pressure, you're going to hold the select button until it beeps. Boom, and then you see how it says off. That's on. Right. Okay. And then if you do want to turn it back on, hold it down until it beeps, and then it goes to whatever last setting you had it on. So it goes on high. Okay. But yeah, if you want to familiarize yourself with the car, I would suggest driving it on off for the time being, just so you can see how the car behaves. Cool. And you don't, lose complete
of boost
traction.
And then once, I mean, you just
map wise, the way what we did is map 3 is the pops and the flames. Okay. Map 2 is the main performance tune. Okay. And then map 1 has slightly less power. All right. 2, okay. So if you wanted the least amount of power, it would be on 1 and this on off. Okay. But it's still going to make well over 400 the tire. Okay. On that setting. But yeah. Awesome. I would say start off with map 1 on off, and yeah, and see how it is. Yeah. Obviously, if you're not familiar with going sideways, leave the traction control on. You will feel more than likely in first and second gear. The car is gonna go, and then all of a sudden it's gonna hit it, and it's probably because traction control is on. So watch your indicator here, the slip light. Yeah. Is gonna flash, and then it's slipping. But again, cold weather tires that are high performance don't usually like the cold weather too much, so you're not gonna get the best traction. But just be careful.
Awesome. All right. Cool. Yeah, you're good, bro. All right, I'm gonna have lunch. You guys say some prayers, Eddie?
I didn't know if you guys had to use the little boys' room before you left. Or...
No, we're good. We're good. Thank you. Sebastian. Thank you once again.
Welcome. Thank you guys.
Awesome.
Safe travels. Enjoy it. Be careful.
Right.
You're gonna have a hell of a time on those tires. That's
for sure. Need to switch them.
Yeah.
Awesome.
See you guys.
All right. Thank you. See you to the guys over here. Thanks, bro. See you later, JD. Cool. We are out. Alright guys, so we have the car back. Got the trailer right there. We need to deliver it back with the truck. Just let me show you guys something real quick. I think I was able to record it at with the tuner. All of these bolts were loose, just hand tight, all of them. So I'm still leaking oil from this one, so I need to go back and just make sure everything's good and secure. But if anything, I might need to change the metal gasket. I'm not sure yet, but I'll figure it out. Aside from that, thank you guys for all the support. I'm just gonna end the video right here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.